Today is finally the day I get to drive my Porsche 9XS without this happening every time I take it for a drive. I've spent weeks bringing this $2,700 Porsche back to life, and if today's repairs work, I might finally be able to enjoy this car the way it was meant to be driven. So this is the new engine mount. As y'all saw in the last video, mine was completely busted, like all the rubber was really beat up. I think this is the major problem that Porsche has currently, and I will finally be able to drive after this without worrying. I'm gonna jack up the car, get under it, and get it ready. So the engine mount will be like right under the car. Should be right there. And as y'all can see, it's busted. So I think for this repair, I gotta take out this hoses first, because if not, I'm not gonna be able to take out this. And then this nut, that nut, and maybe that one right there. And I think that's about it. I might not even have to take this out, but it seems pretty simple. So actually, I have to support the engine. I'm gonna be putting the jack here. This is the point. Some people do it in the oil pan, but I'm not gonna risk that, obviously. So I'm gonna do it in this point right here. There we go. That's perfect. Make sure you're not touching the oil pan. So with the very horrible position, here we are. And I broke this. That sucks. Okay. Let me try to be more careful. Very fragile. I think it was already broken. I barely did force on that one. Finally got them out. They're such a pain. Now to take out those 2 bolts should be a 15 millimeter. Doesn't want to come out with the impact, so I'm gonna suck at this. Oh wow, this is torque really. There we go. That's torque a lot. I'm gonna see if I can take them out with the impact after. I'm already just looking at it. It's just a lot easier. Bolt number 1. And I think it's out. So look what I found. That's the engine mount right there, right? And when I move it, it's not even on the circle, the little hole. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I looked at the other one and I don't think so. That's just crazy. Okay, so I got those 4 bolts. Now I need to remove this one. I have to remove those 3. There might be one on the other side, and I'm done with this. So I'm gonna have to wrench this, unfortunately. Oh my God, that is hard. I don't know what angle I can do. There we go. Now green ones, I gotta remember. Hopefully there's 3. I haven't checked the other side. It's 3 or 4. There we go. I can see how these hoses get in the way. Let's see if I can get it from the bottom. I think these are coolant hoses. Gonna have a lot of trouble with this one right here. I have no grip. Nope. Nah, this one is tough. Oh my God, I just had the fight of my life. I finally cracked it. I finally got it out. I was there for like 2 hours that last nut just to realize, wait a second. Just to realize that I was taking out the wrong nut, and I actually did take it out. I was taking that one right there, and I stripped it completely. Oh, not completely, but so I can say it's a bit straight, but I was getting so frustrated, and that one wasn't even the nut, bro. All that worked 2 hours trying to take out the nut, and it wasn't even the correct one. I'm so done, but I got it out. Look at this. This is crazy. Y'all see how there's rubber there, it doesn't move. This one completely moves. It's completely busted. So now I'm thinking, maybe I didn't even need the transmission mount. One of them does look busted, but the other one, I don't think I needed it, and I think I could resell that for like $100 probably, because I think this for like $250 original one each. Put it back in the car, that's gonna be no problem. And I'm done. I need 4 nuts. So I have a 15 millimeter. One of the ones where I have to do it here in the back. That is. Look at this. This is crazy. The whole thing just shattered. I'll probably sell this for like 50 bucks. So it's this orientation. And I'm gonna put the nuts again. I'm gonna see if I have to torque them in a certain spec. I'm guessing I probably do. So, but this will finally, it makes sense. Look at that. Like completely destroyed. I'm gonna see if I can resell the transmission mount on that bracket. I think like 50 bucks maybe. Even someone can take out the bushing. They'll figure it out. So I looked it up. These are 48 and the other ones are 32. Here we got 48. This is crazy hard. The mount just moves. Okay, I was able to do it. I did about like 40, 46, 45 maybe. I wasn't looking, but it was really hard to do it by itself because this moves. It's very messed up. I hope I didn't. I'm gonna put it in. I don't know if well, I will test drive it. It's just I took off one of the exhausts because I was gonna do the axle. That's for next video. bought the wrong part, the wrong nut. So I'm gonna put this in, try to record as best as I can, then a little test drive. Editor here, I spent probably about 2 hours. I literally kept putting it the wrong way every single time, and I had to do it like 5 times. I've been doing this for hours. I kept messing up. I kept putting it wrong over and over and over again, and it got so tiring, extremely tired. I just want to do this. So the engine is not holding by itself. Why did I have to choose a Boxster? This sucks. It's an XA. I was able to put it back in. I just got a torque cut up to spec, put everything back together. I might take out the other exhaust because I just want to see how it sounds, because it sounded pretty freaking loud. So I believe these are 48 and then this ones are 36. No idea how the hell I'm gonna supposed to torque the ones on top. That's it for that one. For those, I did it as much as I can, so it's not the best. I can't do much. Now I'm gonna put back the under tray, that one, the big ass one, and it should be done. I already injected the car and everything, getting everything out of the way. But now it's time to finally drive it. And I'm like 99% sure it's actually gonna fix now, because that was absolutely collapsed. We'll see how this goes. So right now without the muffler, and it's too freaking loud. Yeah, that's undrivable. I'm gonna be putting the muffler back. Now it's a test drive, which I think it should be fine. Suspension is kind of bouncy. Oh, that's so smooth. It's perfect. Complete fix. Oh, that's amazing. The engine mount was totally collapsed. I still have a lot to do on this car, but now it's so much drivable now. I mean, no matter how it shifts, it's not gonna sound crazy and everything. Still gotta fix the shifter, it's very wobbly. I heard it's bushings or maybe the linkage can be bad. Oh, it's beautiful though. I still get nervous driving manual. I'll send it here. I messed up horrible there. Overall, the car feels a lot better. I do hear something. That could just be me shifting. I'm so happy, guys. This was an absolute success. I mean, it worked fully, and there was a little weird noise, but now it's fixed. I can finally drive this Porsche now without worrying that, I don't know, that something major is gonna happen. Very good success, very happy. Wow, that felt good, driving it normal. Next video is gonna be the axle. If you wanna watch the last video, watch it here. Watch all my other videos if you want to. They're entertaining, you know, I'm still learning a lot. It is what it is. Bye-bye.